Hey everyone, Carly Spar here with American Dream Home Team. I'm at 5410 Wisconsin Avenue North in New Hope. Just want to give you an update on the house. It's been a little bit since we've been able to get out here and brave the weather when nobody's around. So just gonna walk inside and give you guys a little tour. So we are almost complete with the finish work for the most part. No flooring yet, but we're gonna walk in the front foyer. Fireplace, we'll be getting stone here shortly for a surround. Got the kitchen, got the countertops in. One of my favorite parts. I'll show you that in a minute. We've got a storage closet here. Nice closet for people to store games, whatever. Bathroom, we'll be getting toilet, flooring, all that good stuff soon. Beautiful countertops with the cabinets. Love the sink that the buyers chose on this one. And the butler pantry. Lights aren't in yet all over, so it's a little hard to see everything, but I'll give you tons and tons of storage. We've got tons of storage in this pantry. There's going to be shelving lining the walls there. You got the dining room here. I'll bring you upstairs and then we'll go in the basement last. So upstairs. To the right, we've got 2 bedrooms. Again, great view of the park here. And both bedrooms have a walk-in closet. Full bath in here. We've got upstairs laundry with some cabinets. Nice linen closet. Master bedroom is so nice and bright. Really tall ceiling. Again, overlooking this beautiful park. Countertops are in the bathroom. Dual sinks. We're gonna have tile around that shower. Huge master bedroom to do all kinds of different designs in here for shelving. All right, we are gonna run downstairs and check out the basement. There aren't lights everywhere, but I'm almost positive the recessed lights are in down here. So nice big family room here. HVAC is getting ready to do some of their work. And we've got a bedroom back here with a big egress window well. That's a concrete one. Closet. And then nice big bathroom here. Vanity. Big linen closet. And in here, I can't turn on the lights in this one yet, but we do have this, for them, it's going to be an exercise room, but it can be a study, whatever you want it to be. And then there is a separate utility. The temporary furnace is in there now, but the good furnace will be in there shortly. Upstairs, we've got 2.5 stall, nice big garage. Full of extras right now, but we are coming along. I will send more pictures as we go. You'll start to see things coming together here soon. Have a great day.